Hello students, my name is Emmanuel. I'm very happy to introduce this MCQ practice for you all people. This course is presented by me specially for the students of 9th and 10th class. So hope you people enjoy the class and these MCQs. So this will be very quick MCQs for you people to remember the things for a longer time. So let us start with the first question. So the roots of the plants are, so options are positively geotropic, negatively geotropic, positively phototropic, and none of these. So the answer for this is positively geotropics. As we people know, roots of the plants will move towards the earth. When they are moving towards the earth, it is called as positively geotropic. If they are moving away from the earth, then we call it as a negatively geotropic. Hope you people understood. Let us go to the next question. So response of the plants towards the water is called as. So as we people know, so response of the plant towards the water is called as hydrotropism. Water means hydro, so tropism means the movement. So movement towards the water is called hydrotropism. Movement towards the chemical is called chemotropism. Movement towards the gravity is called geotropism or gravitropism. Please remember these are very important. Let us go to the next question. Movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to the, so the answer for this is phototropism. As we people know, if the sunflower always moves in accordance with the sunlight, so here photo means light. So as the sunflower is moving towards the light, it is called as phototropism. So please remember this, very important. So if the plant body is moving towards the light, then we call it as a phototropism. Let us go to the next question, that is, which of the plant hormone promotes the cell division? We people know cytokinin is the hormone which provides or which promotes the cell division. So let us go to the next question. The main function of the abscisic acid in the plants is, so abscisic acid, remember, it is also called as a stress hormone. So it stops the growth. It stops the growth or it inhibits the growth. So the answer for abscisic acid is option B. That is, it inhibits the growth of the plants. Let us go to the sixth question. So fall of mature leaves and fruits from the plant is triggered by which of the following substances? Again, the same question. So the hormone which is responsible for the falling of leaves and fruits is nothing but abscisic acid. So now let us go to the seventh question. Any changes in the environment to which an organism responds is called as. We people know that there are two things in an environment. One is stimuli. For that stimuli, we get response. So any changes in the environment of an organism is nothing but stimulus. So changes is nothing but stimulus. If the organism is responding towards that change, then that is called as response. So the answer for our seventh question is A, that is stimulus. Now let us go to the eighth question. A part of the body which responds to the brain in the in response to the instructions sent from the nervous system is called as. So which part of the body responds to the instructions sent by the nervous system? So that is called as effector. Please remember this. That is called as effector. So now let us go to the next question. The longest fiber on the cell body of a neuron is called as. So as we people know, neuron will looks like this. Okay. So this portion is the longest part, and this portion is also known as axon. So the answer for the ninth question is the axon. Axon is the answer. So longest part of the neuron. So neuron looks like this. This is the end of the neuron. This is the body of the neuron. So this portion is the longest part. This is called as axon. So 10th question is which nerves transmit impulses from central nervous system towards the muscle cell? as we people know, so we have CNS. Inside the CNS, we have spinal cord and the brain. So this spinal cord and brains always send information towards the muscle cell by using motor nerves. Please remember the answer. So the motor nerve is an answer. Okay. Thank you. I hope you people have enjoyed these 10 MCQ series. So please wait for the remaining MCQ series. I'll be bringing lots of MCQ series. So subscribe my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.